Sour Christmas.
Sorry about that.
Yeah.
All right. Hey guys, Hey guys, thank you for tuning into our podcast, Quake and Shake, a seismic comedy podcast. Today we want to talk about plate tectonics. They're super fascinating.
Right on, bro. I love tectonic plates.
Why is that of you?
I don't know. I just have like really strong, passionate feelings for them. You want to hear a joke?
Sure.
How do tectonic plates greet each other?
How?
They shake hands.
Was not funny. Okay, guys, let's get back on track, all right? Do you know what changes have been occurring with plate tectonics recently?
Well, of course I do. We're literally on a podcast about it.
What is it? What's happening right now?
I don't know.
Because I know, I did a lot of research on it last night. I wrote this whole script. So, okay. Plate tectonics is a scientific principle that explains how the Earth's underground movements create major and significant landforms. They're driven by the Earth's eternal heat, which causes plates to collide, separate, or ultimately slide past each other, which this can result in the formation of mountains, volcanoes, and can cause earthquakes that can be catastrophic. Plate tectonics also affect the global climate and sea levels along coastlines.
Really? I even didn't know that. You're just too smart.
Thank you, I know.
Okay, yeah, of course. I wonder which Earth systems are involved.
I also know this, unsurprisingly. The system behind the tectonics theory is that the Earth's outer shell is divided into several plates that go over the Earth's rocky inner layer, and it's just above the core. The plates then act like a large shell above the Earth's mantle. This is so cool and fun. I'm really glad we decided to do this podcast.
Really? Because I'm not too sure about that at all.
Whatever. I really like plate tectonics, but I was just thinking about how different kinds of forces are involved with plate tectonics.
You know what I think?
What?
I think that it's also important to know about the energy that's released at plate boundaries and how that can affect Earth's systems.
Boring. You know what's actually important?
What? Please tell me.
The process of plate tectonic plate shifting. It's a very long-term process over many years. It's even classified as a one-time event because it doesn't always occur in the same place. Again.
Oliver, where'd you learn this?
I learned it on Wikipedia.
That makes sense. You know, I've always wondered what the Earth and all of its boundaries would look like from atop the moon. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, I would think it would be just like those pictures you could see, except over long periods of time you could see land pieces slowly moving closer, leaving each other, and then also there's shifting of plates that can cause volcanoes to erupt, and you could maybe see the eruption for a quick time.
Huh, that is one of the coolest things I've ever learned. You're so talented and smart.
I know, I'm just trying to be modest right now. Okay, that's enough. But scientists are still trying to figure out how subduction zones actually work and why tectonic plates move the way they do. They're also really curious about how continents move around and how that affects things like earthquakes and climate. Even though scientists have learned a lot, predicting when and where earthquakes will happen is still very difficult.
Wow, Oliver, thank you for that information.
You're welcome. I'm actually out of information because I couldn't, Wikipedia was over.
What? I thought you just knew all of this, you awesome boy.
Okay, that's a weird thing to call me. All right, we've been Quake and Shake, the seismic comedy podcast. Yeah.
Hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Here's our replacement for Jack and Avia. I mean McKenna. Sorry.
It's okay. Okay, at this.
Bye, Miss Neil.